First up is an all-new Chevrolet for the street. It has a history over 6 decades long. You've seen the pictures, but you haven't seen it in person. Let's bring it on up. The 2020 Stingray Convertible, mid-engine. Here it is, behind the wheel. There's a guy who knows Corvette racing well. He is a 3-time drivers champion. He's a 2-time winner of the 24 Hours of Le Mans. He won the 24 Hours of Daytona 1 time. He won 12 Hours of Sebring 4 times. Please welcome Ron Fellows. Ron, it's great to see you, buddy. And with him is our Chevrolet Global Chief Designer, Phil Zak. Phil, welcome, buddy.
Thank
Guys,
you.
Ron, you have driven a lot of Corvettes over the years. You've won a lot of races for Corvettes, a lot of championships. What do you think?
Wow. This is obviously the mid-engine, this first generation with the mid-engine is absolutely spectacular. I've got a 2,300-mile road trip under me in the C8, and the interior is spectacular. So comfortable, particularly for those of us taller. The visibility with the sloped nose and the windshield and being set forward, it's awesome on the road. On the track, we had some fun too.
A smile. Yeah. And Ron leaves a high-performance driving school here west of Las Vegas from Nevada for our Chevrolet customers. What do you think? Can you wait to get this on the track?
Well, this is. I think this is going to be a game changer for anybody looking to do a track day. Never mind going to the grocery store. This is our for the school. This is our 3rd generation of Corvette, and I can't wait to get started with the program. It's an awesome car. In the words of my wife, you're so much more connected to the road after she drove it. So there you go.
Linda knows that. Well, thank you, Ron. And Phil, leading the design team at Chevrolet. Corvette is a special one to work on. Tell everybody a little bit about the design. What the highlights, what do you love about it? Share with everybody your points on this design.
All right. First of all, I hope you like it. We love it. Overall, with Corvette, in order to talk about the convertible, I almost have to start and talk about the coupe a little bit, because every Corvette is designed as a convertible, so it is an uncompromised car from a structure standpoint. But the biggest thing for us as we launched the vehicle, obviously the engine moving to the rear of the vehicle, totally changes the proportion of the vehicle. More exotic, mid-engine, truly a supercar now. But with this, what we wanted to make sure that we maintained was the integrity of Corvette. So you'll see the muscular fenders, front, rear. It really has a planted stance, wide, capable. The front end of the vehicle, the lamps, they're very assertive. You definitely see them coming up in your rear view mirror. It means business. The dual element tail lamps on the back, purely say Corvette. So we're really excited about where the vehicle is. The challenge on the convertible, if you just take a vehicle and lop the top off the rear, you kind of lose the proportion, you lose the exotic feel. So the team was really cognizant of what they did on the vehicle. And if you look at the rear, we use a lot of inspiration from jet fighters, race cars. That was really the inspiration for the design team. And then the nacelles, as we call them, behind the seats, it's really like a jet fighter, the cockpit. You kind of see what's behind you as it goes back. From rear 3/4 views and from side view, you still have that muscular feel, which really plays well for the Vette. We also worked heavily with engineering on the execution of the top, so that works. And another one was cooling. So if you look on the rear, some of the venting through there, very much like you'd see on a jet fighter. So from an inspiration standpoint, we could not be more excited about where this car is at.
I love it. And Phil and his team work with us, many of our engineers here, on our accessories. Talk a little bit about the wheels on here and then a few of the accessories.
So from an accessory side and just a customization side, we know how the customers want unique, different, new. They want their own vehicle. So we've got options coming out, splitters, additional wheels. This is a tri-spoke Trident wheel, black milled face. You can get Jake center caps on top of the stuff that you can normally get in the vehicle. For instance, we have 12 exterior colors now, more than we've ever had before. 4 caliper colors. We have 9 interior color options. We have 3 different seats. We've got a GT1, GT2, Touring, and we also have a competition seat along with 6 seatbelt colors, myriad of options that you can go. So you can truly get a bespoke Corvette.
And at SEMA, that's what it's all about, making your vehicle your own, customizing it. The engine is a 6.2 liter LT2 small block V8, 495 horsepower with the performance exhaust. 0 to 60, you guys ready? 2.9 seconds. An amazing stat, top speed of 194 miles an hour. We couldn't be more excited to bring the Corvette. You gotta come and check it out.